It's really cold in here. Look at that cloud. Cloud. It's raining. Okay, it stopped raining. Look at the sun. Sun. Now it's hot in here. I better change my sweater. Whoop! Much better. Look how beautiful is this blue sky. Do you like it? I do. Now it's time to go to sleep. Look at the moon and look at the stars. Aren't they beautiful? Nature is amazing. Come with me. Let's do a short review.
Sun, clouds, raining, moon, stars.
Okay, hope you had liked it. See you next time.